Hi, all of you all. This is Neeta Chabria. I am a housewife. No, I am working basically, and the best thing that ever happened to me in this Arfin Khan's class was that I got to know a lot of things about me, which I always knew, but it didn't click so well as I have to make a change. I used to always blame others a lot, and always anything that is happening, I would always point fingers at others, not realizing, whatever happens is because of us. We are 100% responsible for our behavior and our happiness and joys and sorrows. So one thing which has clicked even more, I have learned from Arfin Khan a lot, fine, but even the people around here have taught me so much more through their experiences that it made me feel very great. I have learned the best is to show gratitude and open your heart out to people, not being afraid of rejection and all the fears. And this course, Call of Destiny, has done great wonders for me because now I openly showed gratitude to a lot of people instantly and effectively. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Gemini Dhar, and this is my friend.
Malika Mehta.
We both decided to do Call of Destiny because we would like to understand our identity on a better level. Um, we are still confused as to exactly how much we will achieve after this, but it has made a very clear picture of what all things we should improve in ourselves and how this is going to change the things the way we think. And it is a wonderful experience, and we'd like to continue doing a whole lot of more Call of Destinies. Thank you so much, because Arfin, you have shown us how to think differently, and I would like her to say a few words also.
I'm not really a talkative person, so I would just like to say I really learned many good things from here, which I will try and implement in my life,
No trying.
which I will implement, and I'm really thankful to Arfin for giving such a good information to us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi, this is Shantilal Chadwa, and I'm a businessman. I love friendship, and I've been right now to Arfin Khan's presentation seminar, The Call of Destiny. I liked it very much. It was superb, excited. Actually, this was told to by me. It was told to me by my nephew, but when I came here, it totally changed me. And when I attended this, I just got lots of things to be known by me, like what I am. And this Call of Destiny is what about you are. So I just feel he had made a great change, and you should always see something like to be more what you want to be in the future. And it's great. And Arfin, you rock, yeah.
Currently working as the Vice Principal of Vivek Vidyalaya. That is my core job. In addition to that, I am a counselor, a psychotherapist, a psychometrician, and right now into the field of dermatographics. Call of Destiny has been a wonderful program for me. It has given me a lot of clarity, especially in my relationships. It's made me understand that many a times we focus the cameras on ourselves, what we feel, what we go through, without looking into what the other person is going through. What Arfin has done, this rocking man has rocked me to rock the world. Especially being into the field of psychotherapy and counseling, it has been immense learning. I'm sure this 3 days has given me encyclopedias of information and encyclopedias of therapies, of techniques by which I can enhance my life coaching skills, which eventually I would want to be. And he has brought in so much of revelations, so much of self-analysis, so much of clarity in whatever I want to do. And I have realized I am responsible for my life, for my success or my failure. He has also put that soch ka keeda in my head that it is up to you to find out what you want to do with your life. Take responsibility, be strong, be powerful, be harmonious, and do whatever you can, especially by filling your two tanks, that is growth and contribution. And I'm so grateful to this gentleman who takes so much of interest in people and has really helped me learn a lot. I would say I have learned what I haven't learned in so many years. 20 years of my married life, the entire focus was on me. And just within a day, I realized how I could change my destiny like this, what he does, like this. And he also gave one more interesting thing, that is, he said, if you can't do something, you must. So that has geared me to take up new challenges in life, to go forward without turning back and putting the entire focus onto growth and contribution. And I'm really thankful for him. Arfin, you rock!
My name is Varsha Tripathi. I'm an artist, singer, and performer. Well, about Arfin and the workshop, I would like to say that first when I came to this workshop, I was thinking that I'm very super clear about my ideas, my goals, my targets, myself in life. But when I came here, I came to know so many things about myself, which I myself had never even in the remotest thought I've ever thought. So I literally came to know that whatever I was thinking, most of the times that I'm doing in a creative mode, I was not actually doing it in the creative mode. So I analyzed myself, I diagnosed my problems, and ultimately I have come down to a lot of points that I need to apply in my life, and it has given me a very good motive in life, and moreover I have been able to contribute in the life of my parents as well and my other family members. So I'm really thankful to Arfin and to this workshop that has really helped me to give a strict look at myself, at what I am, and make a great change to myself, to my family, and to the entire society as a whole. So thank you so much, Arfin. You rock.
Hello, hi guys, this is Bhavyan Shah. Professionally, I'm a fashion designer and an entrepreneur. I have my export house. Arfin is a new venture to me actually, because when I came here, I was not knowing what I'm supposed to do. But when I attended the seminar and after that this call of destiny, I think it has changed my view lot in a big way towards the life. He always claims he does nothing, but I think he does a little thing and he changes your soul and your palette of thinking. That makes a big difference in your daily life. The call of destiny was very useful, and I hope he does all this type of seminars again and again in Bombay and everywhere, because in daily life you do a lot of expenses where you don't develop. But this guy is really a value for money. He takes peanuts from you and he gives you the gunny bags, you know. So chill and come here if you want to develop something. If you don't, you're what you already are, you know. So come here and have a look. Maybe you'll change your life. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Ashish Gupta and I'm a financial trader. Before coming to this seminar of Arfin, Call of Destiny, I was very low on my confidence. I always doubted my abilities. So when I went and met Arfin and I mentioned that I have a lot of stage fear, so he called me and he really ripped me off. But then I realized that was the best thing ever happened to me. After that, that half an hour completely changed my life, and I'm much more confident after that half an hour on my stage. And just a second. Arfin helped me a lot in removing my stage fear. He really rocks.
My name is Rakesh and I'm into stock market. The call of destiny is I would say it's just a process. Like, you know, it has just started. It's a 2-day program or 3-day program. It's nothing of that sort. It has started and it has opened up a lot of things. It is like, you know, evolution versus revolution, I can say. Most of the programs which you attend, like, you cannot be in the state forever, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you'll be off. Believe me. But this one is like, you know, it has started and you can be in the state provided you keep on doing one after the other. You promise yourself and you keep doing those programs. Otherwise, like, you know, you will always be the same old self. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Hetal Modi. I am into business. For Call of Destiny, I can say it's a superb program by Arfin. And for Arfin, let me say something. I came here, I thought it might be something very normal, next door person type thing. And it won't be changing myself or anything else. I just wanted to see what the person is, what the hell that going on. But trust me, believe me, after coming here, I don't know. Directly, indirectly, he changed my thoughts. He changed the way I was looking my life, and I can see one thing. He's superb.
Hi, my name is Ram Aknuri. I am a graphic designer by profession. Actually, it's a long back that about Arfin Khan. I had read his book called You Can, You Win, long back. I came to know about it from the TV advertisement or the TV talk show in which I had seen Arfin Khan's interview. So from those days, I've been trying to follow Arfin. Ki where can I get him? How will I know him? How can I learn more from him? So You Can, You Will it's your choice. That's the first book I've ever read in my life, and I got so much inspired from that book. And finally, I found Arfin Khan, and I'm attended his seminar called Call of Destiny, which I'm very feeling proud of it. That I've been to this seminar. I've learned so many things, and I wish everyone could learn this seminar and grow their can learn and grow their in personal lives and relationships. Thank you so much, Arfin, for contributing for us. Thank you.
My name is Narayan. I have my profession is basically in the field of insurance as well as some internet businesses. I knew about Arfin Khan last year when a friend of mine, Mr. Dinesh Kotian, mentioned to me about him. I bought his books through that friend of mine. I read his books and I heard a lot about Arfin Khan, so I really wanted to attend one of his programs. That's how I started off last month with the first seminar of Success Millionaire Blueprint. I liked it very much. I started implementing it, and then I felt that I should attend the second program. I attended that also. Bought the book, read the book, and felt that it's true practical experience which I have, which Arfin has been giving. Then I decided to attend the Call of Destiny program. Absolutely fantastic, because it is probably giving me a breakthrough in a couple of things which I have been lacking in life, which I think I can implement along with my family. And it gives me a chance to talk to my family and build a relationship with my family and implement whatever that we would like to do in life. And also based on this, also develop better relationship with people outside the family, my friends, my business associates, and various other peoples. I would strongly recommend this to a lot of people, and look forward to being associated with Arfin again and again. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, my name is Dinesh Patel. I am doing pranic healing and also the instructor of the pranic healing. I had attended this Call of Destiny course, which is so wonderful. I had rediscovered myself, that I can say, and the teaching of Arfin Khan is it's really amazing and helped me a lot. And I don't understand that my physiology is also connected with my some nature, and to change in our physiology, that will help us a lot. And we had learned so many things in a so wonderful ways. So I think I had made myself in a more constructive way. It's a Arfin Khan, you are rock.
Hi, my name is Kaustubh Kumar. I'm an actor. I have attended the workshop by Mr. Arfin Khan called Call of Destiny. And yes, the most important thing which I felt about the whole workshop was he has given us a basic framework as to how to go on achieving what we actually want to achieve in our life. And the best part is he told us that simplest things are the hardest to do. If we focus on the simple stuff, everything else just follows. And if you have to do something, if you want to do something, go and just do it. That's the ultimate mantra. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amit Mandalia. By profession, I'm an architectural visualizer working for a builder firm. About Call of Destiny, what I'll say means it has solved many of my doubts, problems, which is going on in my life at present. And I got many answers.
Hi, my name is Hitesh Thakkar. I'm an senior business manager with the information security firm. I'm into sales and marketing. After attending Arfin's, I have already attended the Blueprint seminar, which it was so amazing that I was inspired to attend the Call of Destiny, and it helped me a lot. I'm more clear with my objectives, vision, my dependency. I have to be more organized in my life. What I have to focus on, how my relations has to be. How I can be open. So it has been a wonderful experience, and I would advise more people to get in the coming conferences. I will also be interested in attending more different seminars of Arfin. Thank you so much.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम विजय चौरसिया है, मैं नासिक से आया हूँ। और अरफिन साहब के बारे में एक ही चीज़ मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि इन्होंने 14,000 बुक्स पढ़ी है। और अगर आप इन 14,000 बुक्स को नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हैं और जल्द से जल्द बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, तो जल्द से जल्द यहाँ आए। और मैंने जो यहाँ पे कॉल ऑफ डेस्टिनी प्रोग्राम में 2 दिनों में पाया है, वो बिल्कुल नया विजय चौरसिया मैंने अपने अंदर देखा है और यहाँ से जाने के बाद 100% उसमें इम्प्लीमेंट करूँगा और मुझे मेरा विश्वास है कि आप लोग भी यहाँ पे आकर के एक नए अपने आप में देखेंगे। थैंक यू।
My name is Utpal. I am in the business of training, development, coaching and consulting. Today I have attended a program of Arfin Khan's Call of Destiny. I really like this particular program. There is a lot of transformations which I have seen in my life just because of this particular program. I would really appreciate about Arfin's efforts. Like 2 days, it was a program of 2 days, but because of the request, he had extended that particular program for and the next day. I would really congratulate Arfin about this particular program and all the best for his next endeavor. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Sneha. All I want to say is thank you so much, Arfin, because coming for the Call of Destiny, I have found my path to create my own destiny. So thank you extremely, for all those things that I kept thinking, holding on to, trying to get clarity, feeling that I'm confused. I finally realized that it's in my hands to create my own destiny. Thank you, Arfin. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, my name is Atik Mujawar. I came for this Call of Destiny seminar which has changed my life drastically. Till yesterday I was walking like this without any confidence, and from today I am going to walk like this with confidence. I am going to change my life. Till yesterday I was having a lock here, but Arfin has given me a key to just open the lock and work with my full potential and be very successful. I am very thankful and grateful for Arfin Khan.
Hi guys, this is Jeet Ajani. Before coming here, I knew what I wanted from life, but it is after going through this entire process that I understood that to get it, what are the tools which I'll need, and after that, I know that I have the confidence to achieve whatever I want. Thank you, Arfin, for giving me all this. Thanks.
Yeah, hi, I'm Cheryl Lobo here, and I didn't believe in coming to motivation sessions or coming to any of the programs whatsoever happens everywhere in the world. My friend Jeet got me to the first Blueprint Millionaire, and it was an amazing session when I got to meet Arfin personally, and he actually changed my whole process of thinking. I realized that I had so many things and all the positive things around me, the strength and the support I need from my family or my friends and all the backing I need, but I was always cribbing and not knowing what to do in life, and he made me realize that there was no problem in my life, and I had to just sit there and just take it up as a challenge and solve those issues, whatever I had. And I think I'm so happy, and that's why I came here for the Call of Destiny, and I am super duper happy, and I know now I can just go there, out there, and just be a change.
Hi, myself Sachin Lakshman Gaukar. Before coming to this seminar, I was not clear what I have to do, what are the values, what is my identity, and by going through this 3-day seminar, I am now quite clear what should I do for my growth, how should I contribute in values of other, and it will help me a lot in my future, and I am now quite clear what I have to do in my future. So I would like to thank Arfin Khan for giving such a unique and excellent seminar which has transformed my life. Thanks a lot once again.